Nick Pro sent me this mechanical pencil for carpentry work, and I'm so excited. My husband's a carpenter and he loves their pencils. So this one has like a really ergonomic, like kind of triangle shaped, and it's really, really sturdy. It works just like a normal mechanical pencil where you pop off the back and put your lead in, and then you boop, 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 just like a normal mechanical pencil. Here's kind of the lead compared to a regular one. So it is thicker, but this one is really good for carpentry because you don't need like a super, super thick line, but you don't need a super thin line. This one is too small to where you can't see it, but this one is really good for precision work. You can use it in lots of different cases. This is a piece of walnut, and we'll do a little line test right here with a 1.3 millimeter. Boom, you can see it very clearly on there. And then as well as having this really nice mechanical pencil, it came with this case. It has one of these white erasers that I absolutely love, a whole tube full of extra erasers to put on the back for when that one goes out. And it also comes with the yellow and red colors, which kind of like, I'd say colored pencils, but better quality, that work really well on different colored woods because this does not show up. Having the graphite does not show up on every different wood that he uses, so being able to have the different colors really makes a difference. And here is a full tube of graphite. He loves these pencils, and here's a little comparison to one that the company sent me before for their thicker one. So here is what the thicker lead looks like compared to this one. So this is the 2.8, and then the new one is 1.5.